clot girl ya. You name me ginger fly. The ginger fly that's in your bumbo clot mouth and then you dirty ginger fly have all audacity. Come on, your boy, you need diamond. Mama, your whole look like one blood clot, cool skill. You whole. You know, don't ever call me name again in your rank mouth. Can you see my mouth? My mouth smell like water because my wife will smell like water. That the pussy that smell like redderin, look like redderin, black like engine oil. And when the bumbo clot there, Kaseeno, you have a little redderin crutches in your mouth and you kill up yourself. You're going, you talk about me, you talk about terror, you talk about CMR. Talk about yourself. Talk about how you look. Pussy hole. First time I come here, I never discriminate you. You look like a little sitting we're in a chainsaw massacre where I kill people. Them. You look like them little ugly man there. When you bleach out the door, you chat them in a bumbo class face. You see me, when me see you, I want to put out a mask and run because Halloween that's a follow me around every blood clot day. You want this a bumbo clot girl ya. You name me ginger fly. The ginger fly that's in your bumbo clot mouth and then you dirty ginger fly have all audacity. Come on, your boy, you need diamond. Mama, your whole look like one blood clot, cool skill. You whole look like one cool skill, girl. That ain't a diamond. Diamond they in a good dirt. That the dirt, our cool skill bun, girl. No cool, not even a for your blood class skill. And that's the blackness alone left in your blood clot hole. Me wonder if your mouth never black up. Pussy hole. Look like your name charcoal pussy. A charcoal pussy, that boy. Eh? I do brush your thinking mouth with. Pussy hole. Me not gonna tell you, say, yo, oh, me life is in my name pussy. Show me name pussy. You want me just get up and tell people the name pussy, so. Eh, boy? You feel like some if you just get up and tell people if you suck pussy and just agree to suck in a pussy father. You feel like some if you just get up and say, yeah, man, Kaseeno, and about you thinking front, man, yeah, dog. I saw thinking pussy for the about. I saw me about thinking. No, my father, me no near more thinking pussy. Me no do them look a style there. Are you alone? Do them look a style there, bro. You see me? The little girl where you have a wine in your face with the little rank molly front. You look a front the way you see right there, so it look like it have mildew. You see me? I say? You come out of your own about private activity in your room. So if it's private, what would not video if what? I don't like you that do such a good blood clot job on the naming. I realize you pussy thing. So you're not going to name me the right and proper way you wall up in like a hog. Because that the front they smell like sardine pan you cut out and 3-4 days ago. You see me I say? Making your garbage smell different. You see me I say? So when me see on your mouth that they thinking pussy they like the ugly blood clot, girl, Kaseeno call you ugly. Any girl not going to give you pussy with their mouth. You look like a damn pussy type. So girl, I go sit down and poop on your nose. You know that. You still are going to get poop in your face and poop in a blood clot mouth. Girl, you must poop up all both in your blood clot face. But when the girls them see me, them run up my fan. Which fans? No boy now run up and take no picture with your freaky mouth. No boy no want no picture with your freaky tongue. No man no want no picture with your freaky mouth, boy. No time. So one time I look on Kaseeno and I say, Jaja God, look for you as a bowers. As a bowers. You are got blood clot this and that's a name any pussy so. You feel like a name in a pussy go thinking mode, Kaseeno, rank mode. And a sub blood clot name in a pussy go and every blood clot body. Forget them pussy suck. And you know I'm not gonna talk to him get this off all my chest too. See you boy authentic. See you. Let me tell you this little bitch. No, how you ramping here like an artist boy. Come in catching you like a blood clot ear where you have this. You hear me I tell you boy? Look here, sodomite. Let me tell you this sodomite. Yeah. This is personal now. Sodomite. Hello? Line 1? Are you hearing me? Let me tell you this pussy. You see when you see man and man walk go in a club, we get known, cause people, let me tell you now what go on. What do you mean that bar Thursday? Big up Iron son, cause you don't know so we run the ground. Right? My dog Iron son have a bar Thursday. You don't know me and the dog them go in there. You don't know me not gonna know without the Glock 40 cause you don't know say that I'm a nice pretty shorty. You see me I say married to a bad bitch. it come with blood clot problem, you know. You see me, I say, me walk go in that crowd as a killer. As a killer. Me and the rest of bra things, them walk go in there. Be a bad man. Strap up like a airplane flying from. You see me, I say, God more than people. You see me, I say, walk in with my woman. Let me tell you this dry pussy 10 tick. Pussy no play with me. Me walk in with my wife as a killer. As a done, me walk in with my shorty. And in blood clot and like I married Camille again. Walk in at the club with my bumbo clot wife. You tell me now. As a killer, oh no no done. When you sit down and walk with the girl, hand in hand, I come in a club, I must done wife that. Done bra 49 by a couple back like you don't know so me get bigger. Then take me there in the blood clot club. Then call me name like a film party and I not even did book fee. But me I spend money I never did spend none. I say go. Let me tell you how we go. When me and my dog them party 10 tick or 10 kick you want in your seed. Hear what me I tell you. When we at the party, I must say yo, as a killer, the general there you know, done. I fall bumbo clot done there. Dan and the crew. Them never say me and you. Them say Dan and the crew. Gun more than paper. Remember pussy. And a mobby this. You know no 4 corner up here. Me kicking your jaw corner up here. Me I tell you that. You see up here sir? No 4 corner no there up here sir. Me licking your head corner up here sir man. You see me I say that? Yeah man. When me go out the door now, dance done after we done fuck up the place. No more back on the left in the bar. Man have money 10 tick. Me can't hot. Cause that day when you swipe it, it remain cold like ice. You see me I say? Fully. When the bumbo clot there.
Dark and bully.
When you see my wife come out of the club, as a ticks, you wait till me walk across the road. As a ticks, you know. Not even as an artist. As a ticks. When you see me walk across the road, you draw down upon my wife. Brother, you artist. Me not think a song you sing. We are draw, we are draw down upon. You draw down upon my wife and tell her, say, no, me name 10 tick, you know. Me sing roll deep. Friar, look a blood clot, girl. And if you tell her, say, you name 10 tick. And you sing roll deep. You're not. As a killer, me I tell you that. As a done. As a G, because we there for your love 35 people in Panino. And 9 and 12. So as a done. Me wonder where you draw down for a female woman for you see me walk past you with my woman. 10 kick, let me tell you this. When me walk across the road, you draw down for yo, me 10 kick. Yo, me sing roll deep, you know. Brother, I want to roll you up underneath my car. And that me want to roll you up under and reverse it. Brother, as a killer, you think 4 corner there for it? You will get looking at your head corner foreign over man, girl, fam. You see me? This is the wrong place you come and look for people, girl, father. Brawling, you will get beat, boy. You see this is another Jamaica. Me don't know how you feel about phone girl them bird down there. As a yamed, you not gonna deal with them like that, you know. But as a wife, how you deal with that? You will get beaten in a foreign for that boy. You will get licking at your head corner. 10 kicking at your seed more and blood clot gear. When my wife tell you, say, you better get the fuck away from this girl before Pretti then cuss you. As a G, what you say? Oh, people can't just cuss me for so more. Let me tell you this 10 kick. Hey, if me come across the road and see her talk to me bumbo clot, because you see the other one when my wife shun you, when she run you like dog, you try to reach out for the other one in the other car, the wrong one that you go for too. Because as a bad man, him sit down right there.
Fully bully.
As a killer, as I tell you, say, 3 or 4 corner there, Mobby. This a few in 9, 10, 13, and 14
52.
corner. A 52 corner there in this bumbo clan. You see, when dog, go, let me tell you something. You see, if I was sodomizing on a depan, feel like on a can run with some. Boy, yo, anytime you see one lesbian and girl, you know, me can take that 10 kick. You will get 10 kick in your blood clot belly.
Just
you hear me? I tell you, this is America. You see, any amount of corner when you have a Jamaica, you see, any amount of corner when you have a Jamaica, a 52 corner, they up here, man.
Yeah, man,
them the 4, they too little. And them the 4, the way you are. Remember, you have to tell me wife, say you need to, you want me to sing roll deep. Remember, roll deep. You have to tell me wife that when people see me, they run to me. Dana, you cost 10 kick. You see him one. I kick a temper, you see the fuck. Boy, Mr. Youth. Any of me come across the road and see underneath my Kaseeno, me and the whole of my crew, me I tell them, pick out your feather them, brother. Me I tell you the truth, man. Me I tell you, man, brother, 10 kick. You will get kicking in your seats until you see them fly in your blood clot throat, man. You don't believe me? Eh? Brother, you see when you come a foreign, see man girl and load that fam. And then you see what was sodomite when I talk about, yo, all them lesbian, they have girl and red. 10 tick. Pussy when they will get kicking in your belly so till you piss up yourself, man. You see me? You're there New York now, you know, you violate me, boy. Look, boy, go running on a different girl, fam. You see me? Remember, you have to name out come pussy, me no want a freaky down a be there, you know. You see me? You well want yam come pussy, you know. From you see come, you mouth just get jiggy around water. Cause you don't know a be a name me if you name out that in a 10 kick. 10 kick, me name out that every day can come love wine in a face. Come love wine and skate up and down in a face. Me a personal skating ground, you know.
Yeah.
You see me I say? Well, come off and sit down in your face.
That's it,